Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
Number 1. The Baby Food Maker by Hay Value is a versatile and comprehensive solution for parents looking to prepare healthy meals for their little ones. This 13-in-1 Baby Food Maker set is not only a practical kitchen appliance but also a thoughtful gift for new parents. With features like 6-shaped stainless steel blades, a 600 ml large glass mixing bowl, and food-grade materials, this product ensures safe and efficient food preparation. The supermotor power of the Baby Food Maker makes processing various ingredients a breeze, while the 600 milliliters bowl capacity provides ample space for meal prepping. Its user-friendly design incorporates easy-to-clean components and simple operation catering to busy parents seeking convenience in the kitchen. The multiple uses of this device allow for versatile meal planning, making it a valuable addition to any household. Furthermore, the child safety lock design offers peace of mind, ensuring that the appliance is safe to use even around curious little ones.
Number 2. The Ohuhu Sink Drying Rack by Ohuhu is a versatile and practical solution for drying dishes and kitchen utensils. With product dimensions of 20D into 17W into 1H, this drying rack offers ample space for drying different items effectively. The sleek gray color and compact design make it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop. One of the standout features of this drying rack is its slip-resistant design, which ensures that your dishes stay securely in place while drying. Additionally, the foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use, making it ideal for kitchens with limited space. The countertop mount installation of the Ohuhu Sink Drying Rack eliminates the need for complicated assembly, providing a hassle-free setup experience. Whether you have a small kitchen or need extra drying space, this drying rack is a practical and space-saving solution. Overall, the Ohuhu Sink Drying Rack combines functionality with a modern design, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen.
Number 3. The OXO Good Grips Stainless steel scraper and chopper is a versatile kitchen tool that delivers exceptional performance for culinary enthusiasts of all levels. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, this product combines durability with precision to elevate your cooking experience. The stainless steel blade of the scraper and chopper ensures long-lasting sharpness and reliability, allowing you to effortlessly chop, mince, and scrape ingredients with ease. The dual functionality of this tool makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, simplifying food preparation tasks and enhancing efficiency. Designed by the trusted brand OXO, known for its innovative and user-friendly kitchen products, this scraper and chopper features a comfortable stainless steel handle that provides a secure grip for safe and convenient use. The silver and black color scheme adds a touch of sophistication to your culinary tools collection.
Number 4. The Best Nitrile Rubber Cleaning Gloves by Tusco products are a must-have for anyone looking for high-quality cleaning protection. Made from a combination of vinyl and rubber materials, these gloves offer superior durability and comfort for a wide range of cleaning tasks. One standout feature of these gloves is their cut-resistant construction, providing an added layer of protection against sharp objects during cleaning. Additionally, they are disposable, making cleanup a breeze after use. The latex-free design ensures that even those with allergies can use these gloves safely. The large size ensures a comfortable fit for most users, and the reusable nature of these gloves adds to their overall value. Each pack contains one pair of gloves, providing convenience for various cleaning needs. Overall, the Best Nitrile Rubber Cleaning Gloves from Tusco products are a reliable, versatile, and essential product for anyone who values quality and protection during cleaning tasks.
Number 5. The Homs Z66-quart Stackable Storage Bins by Homs offer a robust storage solution for organizing your belongings efficiently. Constructed using high-quality resin and plastic materials, these storage bins are designed to be durable and long-lasting. The bold blue color adds a touch of vibrancy to any space while maintaining a professional look. One of the standout features of these storage bins is their stackable design, allowing you to maximize storage space vertically. This feature is particularly useful for those looking to declutter and optimize their living or working environment. The bins are easy to stack securely, providing a convenient organization solution for various items. The versatility of the HOMZ 66-quart stackable storage bins makes them suitable for a wide range of settings,